Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to put a link in TikTok bio. To start the process, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. Then go to your profile. Here tap on Menu on your top right corner. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Account. Here tap on Switch to Business Account. Now tap on Next. Then tap on Next. You need to tap on Next again. Now scroll down and select Others. Then tap on Next. After that, tap on Skip. Select Confirm. Now go back to your profile and tap on Edit Profile. Here tap on Add your website. Then tap on Get Started. From here, you can include your website link. When others view your profile, they will be able to see your link in your bio. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.